Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.2. Nature created man and woman as equals. Yesterday we have seen means how's that beautiful surrounding nature means surrounding area which is very beautiful. Behind there a small stream of crystal means side of the house there is a small stream of crystal clear water. Also there is a behind the house there was a green mountain, and from that green mountain the stream was tumble down or fall down. And there was a stretch of 100 acres fertile land where there is a yellow mustard flowers. Also in front of the house there is a courtyard, and in that courtyard there are many means flowers trees and fruit trees are there in the garden of the house. And that beautiful fragrance of jasmine's flowers and incense sticks are intermixed in the surrounding area of the house. Now next part of the house. Next part of the lesson. Ashangvi is in her reading room and is busy writing an article. Ashangvi. She is a woman. Okay, Ashangvi. And she is a mother of this house. Ashangvi is in her reading. She is in her reading room and she is busy. She is writing an article. You know an article. It is a small piece of writing. She is a middle-aged mother of 3 children and a journalist and women's rights activist. She is a middle-aged mother of 3 children. She has 3 children, and she is a journalist. She is a journalist. Journalist means those who have written for the newspaper or magazine. Okay, and she is also women's right activist. She is also women's right activist. She is activist. Activist means a person who brings about the social and political change. She is written about related the question of women. Okay. Lanthoi, her youngest daughter, enters the room. Lanthoi, name of her youngest daughter, Ashangbi's youngest daughter. Her name is Lanthoi. Okay. These names are different from us because these names are related to northeast part of India. Okay, means like in this part of India there are like this ways name. The youngest daughter's name is Lanthoi. Enters the room. She is an intelligent girl, and she is very intelligent girl. Today she looks thoughtful and she takes a seat by her mother's side. And when she came there that time, her mother observes she looks very thoughtful today. And she takes a seat by her mother's side. And she sits her mother's side. At the sight of her child, Ashangvi lovingly asks, "Have you finished your study, my dear?" And when she sat down there that time, Ashangvi, Mrs. lovingly, Ashangvi, her mother, she asked lovingly. She asked, has she finished her study? Yes, mother, I finished it last night. Today being Sunday. And she said, today being Sunday means last night only she finished her homework, and that day was a Sunday. I want to do something interesting. And she said, I want to do something interesting things. Lanthoi says and waits for her mother's response. You see, whatever in her mind she told to her mother. Lanthoi told to her mother. And she wait for now her mother's response. Tell me, what you want to do? Ashangvi asks her quiet amused. And Ashangvi means she asks in a very pleasant manner. Means she asks, tell me what you want to do. Amuse means pleasant manner. Mother, tomorrow I am going to represent the Siroi Lily House as a speaker in a symposium of our school. The topic is God created men and women as equals. Will you spare your time to have a discussion with me. Lanthoi presses on her mother. And means she said to her mother. Means Lanthoi said to her mother. Means in her school, Lanthoi school, there was a means there is a presentation related to men and God created men and women as equal. And for that, she want to talk about something. Miss Lanthoi want to talk about something from her group. Name of the group is Siroi Lily House. Okay, you know houses. In our school also there is different houses. Okay, Miss Diamond like this way. Means like this way in her school also there is a different houses, and she is from Siroi Lily House, and that from that house you want to represent her views, and topic is God created men and women as equals. And she asked, will you spare some time to have discussion with me? Spare means here means will you reserve. Spare means reserve. Will you reserve some time to have a discussion with me? Means please reserve some time to discussion, or can you reserve some time for discussion with that topic? Lanthoi presses on her mother. Presses on, it is a praise. Presses on means persuade someone to do something. Means she convince to her mother to do something. Okay. Tomorrow we will learn about the next part of the lesson. Okay. Everyone read this lesson and write the hard words meaning.